Nima qilyapsiz?
Hit the books degan idioma o'rganuvdim. Kitoblarni urish degani o'zim yaxshi o'qish degan ma'noda ekan, shuni noto'g'ri tushunyapman.
Qayerdan oldingiz bu ma'lumot?
Shu kitobda o'qib noto'g'ri tushunyapman. Ming bor uzr.
Qaytib qilmang bunaqa hunar.
Bo'ldi, unaqa qilmayman. Bo'ldi, ming bor uzr. Hit the books. Kitoblarni urmoq degani, so'zma-so'z tarjimasi, lekin ma'nosi qattiq o'qimoq degani. Misol uchun,
I have to hit the books this week because my exam is next Monday.
bu hafta men juda ham qattiq o'qishim kerak, chunki keyingi dushanba mening imtixonim. Burn the midnight oil. So'zma-so'z tarjimasi tungi shamchiroqni yoqish degani, ma'nosi yarim kechagacha dars qilishda aytadi. O'sha o'zi ertaga imtihon, hech narsa o'qimagan, bir kun qolganda mana shunaqasiga olib dars qilib qolishadi, shunaqani aytadi. Shunaqalar ham bor, siz emas. Ha, men deb jari xafa bo'lmang. Siz emas, shunaqalar ham bor. Misol uchun, I had to burn the midnight oil to finish my assignment on time. Men topshirig'imni o'z vaqtida yakunlash uchun tungi shamchiroqni yoqishimga to'g'ri keldi. The early bird catches the worm. Ma'nosi tongda turganning ishi unumli bo'ladi. Endi so'zma-so'z tarjimasi erta harakatni boshlagan qush qurtni tutadi degani, ya'ni endi bitta qush sar turib mana shunaqasiga olib uchib yursa, qurtni tutib yeb ketsa, keyin uyqusirab turib va harakatini boshlagan qushlar uchib yuraveradi, qurtni topolmaydi. Shunaqa ekan, erta turgan yaxshi ekan.
Misol uchun, if you wake up early and start studying, you'll finish your work faster and the early bird catches the worm. Agar siz erta turib o'qishni boshlasangiz, ishni tezroq tugatishingiz mumkin. Tongda turganning ishi unumli bo'ladi.
Practice makes perfect. Amaliyot mukammallashtiradi. O'zbekchada mashq qilgan mohir bo'lur yoki takrorlash bilimning onasi degan ma'nolarni anglatadi. Agar shu narsa zarur bo'lmaganda edi, inglizchani 1-2 oyda ichida o'rganib qo'ysa bo'lardi, hamma mavzularni tushuntirib qo'ysa. Yoki bir 5 minut boks bilan shug'ullangandan keyin katta musobaqalarga chiqib ketsa bo'ladi. Bu yoqqa qarasa bu yoqdan urasan, bu yoqqa qarasa bu yoqdan urasan, 5 minut ko'rib olgandan keyin katta musobaqalarga chiqib ketgan bo'lsa bo'lar edi, lekin bunaqa emas. Demak, buni ko'p marta qaytarish kerak hamma narsani, to'g'rimi? Shu narsani aytadi. Practice makes perfect. Misol uchun, keep practicing your speaking every day. Practice makes perfect. Har kuni gapirishni amaliyot qilib boring. Amaliyot mukammallashtiradi. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. So'zma-so'z tarjimasi ozgina bilim bu xavfli narsa. O'zbekchadagi ekvivalenti esa chala chavandoz o'ynagan otidan yiqilar deb ifodalanadi. Ya'ni o'z sohasini hamma yaxshi bilish kerak. Chala biladigan bo'lsa, bu xavfli narsa degani. Misol uchun, don't rush to conclusions based on a little knowledge. Remember, a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Ozgina bilimga asoslanib xulosa chiqarmang. Esda tuting, chala chavandoz o'ynagan otidan yiqilar. Knowledge is power. Bilim kuchdir. Ya'ni sizda bilim ko'p bo'lsa, imkoniyatlar ko'p bo'ladi degani. Manaqa kuch emas bu. Bu mana trenirovkalarda oshirgan kuchim bu, boshqa kuch. Misol uchun, keep learning because knowledge is power and it will open doors for you. O'rganishda davom eting, chunki bilim kuchdir va bu sizga imkoniyatlar eshigini ochadi. Get the hang of it. Biror ishni qilishga qo'li kelib qolmoq degani. Misol uchun, after a few days of practice, I finally got the hang of using this software. Bir necha kunlik amaliyotdan so'ng, men nihoyat bu dasturdan foydalanishni o'rgandim. Ya'ni ishlatishga qo'lim kelib qoldi. Ushbu iboralarni qanchalik o'rgandingiz endi sinab ko'ramiz. Demak, birinchi iboramiz qattiq o'qimoq ma'nosidagi ibora. Inglizchada bu hit the books. Yarim kechgacha, kech paytigacha dars qilmoq. Burn the midnight oil. Tongda turganning ishi unumli bo'ladi ma'nosidagi inglizcha ibora bu. The early bird catches the worm. Takrorlash bilimning onasi yoki amaliyot mukammallashtiradi degan ma'nodagi ibora bu. Inglizchada practice makes perfect. Chala chavandoz o'ynagan otidan yiqilar ma'nosidagi inglizcha ibora. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Bilim kuchdir. Knowledge is power. Qo'l keltirib olish, biror ishga qo'li kelib qolish. get the hang of it. Endi ushbu iboralarni ishlatib, IELTS savoliga yuqori darajada javob beramiz. Demak, savol. Describe a time when you had to learn something new. You should say what you had to learn, how you learned it, how long it took to learn, and explain how you felt after learning it. One of the most challenging things I had to learn was a programming language for a course I was taking. At first, I had no prior knowledge of coding and the whole subject seemed overwhelming. However, I was determined to learn it because, after all, where there is a will, there is a way. To begin with, I had to hit the books and dedicate a significant amount of time every day to learn the basics. It was a tough start, but I knew that practice makes perfect, and the more I practiced, the better I would become at coding. At the beginning, I struggled a lot and felt quite discouraged, but I kept going because I understood that Rome wasn't built in a day. Mastery would take time. I had to constantly remind myself that learning takes effort and persistence. Eventually, after weeks of trial and error, I began to get the hang of it. I was able to write basic programs without much difficulty, and the feeling of accomplishment was overwhelming. Looking back, I realized that a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Initially, I was too confident with the small amount of understanding I had, but the deeper I dived into the subject, the more I saw how much more there was to learn. As I grew more proficient, I understood that knowledge is power, and it gave me a huge sense of confidence to know that I had acquired a valuable skill. I also began to see that the early bird catches the worm. Those who start early and put in the effort see the rewards faster. Now, I have a solid understanding of programming, and it's a skill I have learned by heart, something I'll carry with me for the rest of my life. I'm really glad I stuck with it because it opened up new opportunities for me. Inglizchasini yaxshilamoqchi bo'lgan tanishlariga, barcha odamga buni yuborib qo'yamiz. Fikrlar bo'lsa yozib qo'yamiz. Qaysi iboralarni o'rgandingiz, qaysilar siz uchun yangi, izohlarda yozamiz.